I'm Dave Kindig, and we're here in Salt Lake City, Utah at Kindig Design. We're coming up ready to celebrate our 19 years in business. Now, we've been voiding warranties the entire time. We'll build pretty much any kind of a car, whether it's a late model, a classic, a street rod. We really don't care. We just love four wheels and a steering wheel. So there was at a special event down at the SEMA show a few years ago, and Kevin had been walking around stamping everybody with his KevDog stamp. I tried washing it off, it wouldn't come off. It just so happened somebody had a tub of towel, it wiped right off. And that was the beginning of a beautiful relationship. So one of the main things that we do when we first get a project vehicle here is to tear it down. And of course, you're always going to find a lot of grime, a lot of other stuff, but it's very important for us also to identify that those parts are good or restorable. A lot of times, whether it's your dirty hands or a dirty part, grabbing a tub of towel gets the job done. Tub towels, the way they're packaged is very convenient because you pop the lid open, grab out as many as you need, and shut the lid. Keeps the dirt out of the inside, and of course they just pull off real easy. They're simple to use, and they're strong. With 35 employees, all of the restrooms are not always available, and it's real easy just to grab a tub of towel, wipe off your hands, and you're ready to rock. You know, here at Kindig Design, we've been building cars since 1999, and that means hundreds and hundreds of cars have come through the shop. We make a lot of mess, we're gonna have to clean it up, and that's why we use tub towels.